Basketball is a game played between two teams of 5 players in which goals are scored by throwing a ball through a netted hoop fixed above each end of the court. In basketball, some of the basic rules are no traveling, 2 teams are playing, and points are gained by shooting in the hoop. There are many problems that can have an effect on the athlete's performance in this game. In this video, we will focus on 3 simple basketball concepts that can be easily fixed by applying physics. One problem in basketball is the foul. A foul is an unfair or invalid stroke or piece of play, especially one involving interference with an opponent. The foul can be improved if Ulibel increases his body mass, and when he jumps, Freiling won't be able to push him hard. In other words, Ulibel needs to increase his inertia. Inertia is an object's resistance to a change in motion. The more stuff you are made up of, the more stuff that has to change motion. The more stuff, the more resistance. Ulibel worked hard by lifting weights and drinking Gatorade in order to get bigger, therefore increasing his body mass and inertia. Therefore, Ulibel's shot will be better because Freiling can't push him as good as before. Something else that can be improved in basketball is a 3-point shot. A 3-point shot is a field goal in a basketball game made from beyond the 3-point line, a designated arc surrounding the basket. The physics concept that can help with the 3-point shot is the projectile. A projectile is an object with independent horizontal and vertical motions that move through air only under the influence of gravity. After an initial launch for making a 3-point shot, Freiling needs an angle of 45 degrees and a speed of just under 8.9 meters per second and a distance of 6.4 meters from the basket. Freiling will have the markings of the perfect 3-point shot. Another problem that can be fixed in basketball is the dribble. Dribbling is the legal method of advancing the ball by oneself as opposed to passing it to another player or shooting for the basket. It consists of bouncing the ball on the floor continuously with one hand while walking and running down the court. The ball is dribbled so quickly that the opponent does not have time to keep up. Once their static friction increases, they have more grip because the coefficient of friction changes. The shoes must have good grip in order for the person to dribble good. The higher the coefficient of friction, the higher the friction will be.
This video was made by
Joanna Veras, Ulibel Maria, Cristina Ramos, Freiling Castaño, and Jordalyn Maria. Woo!
Bye, Miss Malani. Have a nice
Wiki
weekend.
Robot.